How do you post to Craigslist? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guy. In today's video, we will simply discuss how we can post our ads to Craigslist. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to create a post for your Craigslist account or just post an ad, what you need to do is first of all go ahead and then launch your browser and then navigate to the Craigslist website, which is called craigslist.org. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box. Go to craigslist.org. Now, in order to create an ad on Craigslist, you want to make sure that first you have actually already created a Craigslist account. Once you come to this page, first of all, select your desired region first of all. So once you select your region as well, what you want to do is on the top left, you'll find the option called create a posting. So just click on create a posting button. Once you click on create a posting, first of all, just choose a category for your posting. So you can see what type of posting is this. You can go ahead and simply see the prohibited list as well before posting. So what you can do is just go ahead and select any of the options and just click on the continue option. Again, choose a category. So just go ahead and choose appliances, arts and craft. You have different types of categories that you can choose from. So in this case, I'll just select a random one to show you guys. And over here, depending upon your Craigslist category, you'll see different type of interface, because if you choose real estate and so on, you'll have different type of interface. If you choose appliances, you'll have different type of details. Again, the very first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and enter your posting title, and after that you also want to make sure to enter the price. Once you choose to enter the price, also go ahead and simply enter your city or neighborhood and then enter your postal code. Enter a short description about what your product is about. So just go ahead and type in any of the details that you would like. Then if you want, you can also choose and make a manufacturer, select a condition, and you can also select the model name or number. You can also choose language of posting, your size, dimensions, and so on. And once you've done that, you can choose to show and reveal your phone number so that people who can see your ad can contact you. But if not, then you can hide your phone number. And after that, you can just click on OK for the others to contact you about services, products, and so on. And after you've filled in all of the details over here, basically what you want to do is just click on the option called continue. Once you click on continue, if all of the details are correct, you'll be taken to the page where you can upload images. So all you have to do is first of all click on the add images button. You can choose the images as you want, but there are some limitations to it because you have a maximum of 24 images only. So just go ahead and select the images that you want, and once you do so, you can just select done with images. And once you've done that, now it is going to take some time to publish it. Just to verify it once and for all, and then just click on the publish button on the right hand side to publish and post your ad. That's all it takes to post to Craigslist. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.